How can I pin restart to my taskbar? Hi everyone, Leo Notenboom here for askleo.com. Here's a question I got. For a variety of reasons, I restart my computer fairly regularly. Is there a way to get an icon on the taskbar I could just click? Absolutely. I'll show you how. I question your need to restart so frequently, but I'll just have to trust your motives. Besides, the technique that I'll show you applies to more than just restarting. So to be clear, a typical way to restart your computer involves 3 clicks. You'll right-click on the Start button, click on Shut Down or Sign Out, and then click on Restart. But maybe that's 2 clicks too many? We'll start by creating a shortcut on your desktop. That shortcut will run the shutdown command with the parameters to perform an immediate restart. The way we do that is we right-click on an empty area in the desktop, click on New, click on Shortcut, and then type in shutdown space /r space /t space 0. /r means restart, and /t with a 0 means a time delay of 0 seconds. In other words, immediately. Click on Next. We'll give it a name. We'll give it the very creative name, Restart. Poof. Now, anytime you want to restart, you could just double-click on this icon and the machine will restart. So, double-click. We've taken it down to 2 clicks. But we want more. As we'll see in just a moment, we're running on a path that will get us a 1-click restart. It's kind of scary, actually. So that means we'll actually want the shortcut to be easily identifiable so that we don't click on it by accident. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to right-click on the shortcut and then click on Properties and then click on the Change Icon button. Now, it's going to complain that shutdown.exe doesn't have any icons. Great. Don't care. Click on OK. What you'll now get is a collection of icons that's in a system file, it's in the system32 directory, called shell32.dll. I'm sure it has other uses, but its main claim to fame is that it has so many icons included in the file. You can scroll through it. There's a bunch. I wouldn't even guess a number here for how many icons might be associated with it. I'm going to choose this curving back icon because it kind of, sort of makes me think of restart. We'll click on OK. We'll click on OK again. And now you can see that the shortcut on our desktop has been updated to include or use this new icon. Now we're ready to remove that one last click. Right-click on the shortcut. Click on Show More Options in Windows 11. And then click on Pin to Taskbar. And there it is. There's our nifty new shortcut on the taskbar. And yes, a single click on that shortcut will restart your machine. Here it goes. Oof. So while having a 1-click restart seems kind of unusual, the techniques that I've used, creating a shortcut, changing its icon, pinning it to the taskbar, these can all be used for many other situations and programs. Even if you don't need such an accessible restart, you've now got tools you can use for other, perhaps more common reasons. For updates, for comments, for links related to this topic and more, visit askleo.com/191287. I'm Leo Notenboom, and this is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.